love him too. He provides for me everything I want to. I anything I need. Oh, I. He protects me and he guides me. He never wants any harm to come to me. He's a super dada. Somebody tell me what more can I ask for?
I'm sorry, Dad. I have to leave for a while. I do not recognize you anymore. Never in a lifetime would I have thought that my father, the man I love so much, would treat another human being the way you treated Joe. It ruined the image I have of you. I always believed you to be a good, understanding man with integrity. Right now, I don't know what to believe anymore. I'm sorry.
Father loves me, I love him too. He provides for me. I mean everything I want to. I anything I need. Oh, I. He protects me and he guides me. He never wants any harm to come to me. He's a super dada. Somebody tell me what more can I ask for? Hey, it's a mixture of mama and papa all in one. He's making me to feel the vibes of a super daddy. His love for me is so great. And that's why I keep on saying, you are my one in a million. Someone I hold in high esteem. My love for you know no bound. And I'll keep on loving you. You are my one in a million.
Hey, see this one. Bia. Wake up, oh. Who's baby? I know be your baby, oh. Try me, baby. Wake up, please. Him baby. Your baby is hungry. Go and make food for him.
Okay. I will. Good morning.
You have to do that fast. Stop looking at me. Go and make food for your baby. Eh? Stop looking at me like that. Go and make food for him. After all, your father did that to him. So it's your responsibility to nurse him back to good health. Go to work.
Okay.
One more thing. Those clothes at the passageway, grab them. Wash them well. Very well. Concentrate on the neck. Off you go.
Okay, but are they just clothes or?
They are my village people clothes. Now my village people get them. Go wash clothes, Biko. Joma, they just clothes.
Yeah, because I need to know if it's just clothes or yours.
Like I said, my village people, now their clothes. Go wash your baby clothes.
Okay, I will. So, where is your laundry room? I mean, for the washing machine.
Washing what? Washing machine. My dear, in this house we do manual labor. We use our hand to wash our clothes. This is not your father's house, where everything is easy. So, get up, get busy. Off you go. Go and wash those clothes.
But those clothes are huge. They are much. And moreover, they are more of jeans.
Yes. Those clothes, they are huge. Very huge. It's because your baby is huge. So you have to go and wash it. Go and wash his jeans. You're able to carry his thing that is huge. You're not able to wash his thing that is the clothes that is huge. Madam, get to work. Go. Go to work, yeah? Good girl. Be useful, be useful. It's okay, no problem. I'm not very hateful. You never see anything. I beg, it's my turn to rest.
I packed it here now. Yes, I packed it here.
What are you looking for?
My car, I packed my car here. I can't find it anymore.
Why are you looking for it?
I want to go to the market and I need to use my car.
Baby, listen. I am not as wealthy as your father. So you must learn to manage. Cut down. The market is not far. You can stroll down to the market. Must still drive your car every now and then because you own one. No.
Baby, you know I want to manage with you. But I have a car. What stops me from using it?
You must not use your car because you own one. No. Listen, in life, always know what you need and go for it, not what you want. Those are the little things that will prove to me that you are a wife material. Being able to wash with your bare hands, yes, even when the washing machine is there. Strolling down to the market and ignoring your car. Those are the things that will prove to me that you are a wife material. Please, let go for what you need, not what you want.
Okay, it's fine. I'll go without my car.
Nice.
But where is it? Where is my car?
My sister went out with it.
Without my permission?
No, she asked me and I permitted it.
All right, no problem. I need to head to the market. Let me pick some stuffs.
Ay.
Wetin happen?
I'm afraid. I feel this man will wake up one morning and send armed men to pick me up.
Hey, honestly, bro, this man has instilled so much fear in you and is killing your feelings for his daughter.
You are not far from the truth. I'm so afraid that I can't even touch her anymore.
Ha! Bro, you have to touch her. You have to touch this girl. You remember the original plan now? The plan was for you to marry this girl for her wealth. Yes! And you went there and fall in love. Why?
That was your plan, not mine.
Eh.
Yes.
So how do you feel now? How you feel now when you don't collect beating? How you feel?
Listen, I know you don't like her, but talking down on her is what I will not tolerate. Please.
Eh? Hey, look at my bro why they give OT. I don't get this at all. What are you saying? Talking down on who? The plan is for you to suck this girl. Suck her without straw. Even if na pipe you see, suck this girl dry. And you're here acting like Ogbono. I don't like this, oh. Bro, I don't like am.
That was not my intention.
You better find that intention. Anyway, where that intention dey, find am. What are you even saying? You want to tell me you don't hate this man right now for what he did to you? Every other person would have done that. You see, that man right now, as he stands, his name is hate. You have to hate that man for what he did to you. Every other person will definitely hate this man. Do you know what that man did to you? Man, that man walking on. That man humiliated you. That man locked you up.
I hate him, but that shouldn't affect the love I have for his daughter.
He has to. Do you like the condition, our condition? Do you like it? Just look at our house. Look at our curtain. Look at just ordinary bed. Nothing. There is nothing in this house. Now me, they do everything. Now me, they pay house rent. Now me, they feed you. Now me, even he herself, my this thing don't they pay me. Don't they cry for help. With himself, you guys help me. Oh, everything na me. Every time I dey hustle, I dey come out, I dey do everything just to feed you. Please do something. Oh, this place don't they pay me.
Hey, change topic. Change topic. You dey lash to make money and you're proud of it.
Bro.
I say change topic.
Hey, baby. How are you?
Baby, what is it now? Why do you seem distant?
I went through hell because of you.
Baby, are you already said sorry. Please. I'm sorry. Don't let this break us, please. Please.
I can't promise that. I can't.
Baby. Baby, what are you trying to say? Are you trying to say you don't love me anymore? Baby, please, don't be like this. Can't you see I'm putting in effort? Can't you see I'm trying to rewrite my father's wrong? Baby, please. Baby, please, don't do this.
I don't know. I don't know what to say.
Just say it. Say you love me. Say you want us. Please, my love. Can you at least kiss me back? Baby, please. Baby.
Please stop. Stop now, please.
I said sorry, please.
Where are you coming from?
I went to buy something.
Don't lie. I saw you. You went to see your father.
Why are you following me?
Answer my question. Answer my question.
Yes, I went to see him. He's always there every Friday. I just wanted to make sure he's fine.
Are you sick? What if he followed you back to this place? Do you want to kill me?
He's not like that.
Says who? No, tell me, says who? Well, if you must know, the scars of what your father did to me is still fresh deep down in my soul. Your father is mean. He scares the living daylight out of me. I wonder why you see him as a nice person after all he did to me. Your father is a terrible human being.
I'm sorry, but he's still my father.
Oh, he's still your father? Good. If you care about him so much, what are you doing in my house? Go and stay with him.
I'm sorry. I won't go see him again. I'm sorry. I won't go see him again. Baby, I'm sorry about earlier today. It's just that. Anyway, never mind.
When are you leaving?
Soon. I just want to be sure that you're okay.
I'm okay.
I saw you struggling with the TV.
Yes, it's giving me issues.
Then let's buy a new one.
You know my financial condition. I'm jobless at the moment, so I can't even afford one.
I know. I won't even allow you spend your money on anything, even if you have. I'll buy it.
Why?
I just I just want you to be happy, especially after what my father did to you. I just I just want you to be happy. Put a smile on your face. I'm sorry. Can you at least smile? I'm sorry. Okay. Right. I don't even want to go. I want to stay with you. Are you sure to be okay there?
Yes, it's fine.
Wow. This must be really expensive.
We got it like 500k.
You got 500k? Really? Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Babe, once again, thank you, okay?
We have a new television. It's new
okay.
look.
Let me go fix something in the kitchen.
Aw. Thank you. Thank you so much. That's my brother. Jeez, this is beautiful.
You like it?
I love it. Bro, on to the next, yeah? The next OT. We can have this kind of beautiful television, like very big, and we are still living in boys' quarter in another man's house. That won't happen. Tell her, touch her those places you do touch her, she will vomit money. You know, bro, we need an apartment, a big apartment. We need to move out from these boys' quarters now, please. Okay, do something, bro. I trust you.
Step by step, no jumping.
Bro, use your German machine and do something.
I'm sorry I can't do this.
Baby, why? You haven't touched me for some days now.
I have a lot going on in my head. I can't do this. I'm sorry.
Whatever you're talking about, Does it have anything to do with my father?
No.
Okay.
Good night. What is your problem? Yeah? So you cannot stroll down to the market, buy food stuff, and walk back home. Must you order cab? To crown it all, you came back with an AC cab. Mrs. Money, you cannot manage. Where is the wife material in you? Wife material, zero.
Baby, it's my money. I bought this stuff with my money. I ordered a cab with my money.
Okay, so this is what I will get if we eventually get married. Each time you spend your money and do something wrong, if I try to correct you, you will remind me that it's your money. You bought the stuff, you ordered the cab with your money. So because it's your money, you should be misbehaving. How many times have I told you to cut down? Zero wife material. Don't baby me. Don't touch me.
All I'm trying to say is that you're taking this too far. The load is heavy. It was so heavy that it started hurting my hand. So I had to get a cab to make things easier.
Spare me that rubbish. You are just being unnecessarily extravagant. What is heavy here? What is heavy here? I normally see women carrying their child, maybe one on her back, one by her left or right hand, with what she bought from the market. I normally see women like that walking and they're not complaining. They're all happy. Some are even frying bole. Some are even selling beans and plantains. Some, I know women that work hard. They are loyal. They are respectful. I know what material when I see one. But you, every small thing. Uber, small thing. I can't stress. Small thing. Luxury. That's not life. Cut down. Cut down. Madam Moichiama.
Yeah, I'm trying. Yeah, I have a car. Right now, I don't even have hold of it. Your sister is using it. And I'm not complaining. All I did was to look for another means of transportation to make things easier for me. That's all.
That's not enough. And that's not all. Cut down more. Lower your standard. Be a wife material. Learn how to manage. My message is simple.
I'm sorry. I've heard you. Okay, henceforth I will do whatever you want. Whatever you say. Just to prove to you that I'm a wife material. That I'm willing to, stand by you. Okay? I'm sorry. I really want us to work.
What's going on? What happened?
Bro, everywhere knows stew. Everywhere knows stew. Things no dey easy for me at all.
That one na old story now. You dey expect make government share money I been waiting.
Bro, see, I need 50k. I need 50k. I need to sort out some things. I need that money urgent 50k. Now I need now.
From which bank? You know I'm jobless, so why are you asking for urgent 50k? Where will I get it from?
From Esa. Yes. Wetin Esa dey do for this house? Wetin she dey do? Ask her for 50k. Use this girl for your own benefit now.
Amara, Esa is not an object to be used.
Okay, no vex. Make I rephrase am. I know say Esa get that money. Ask for it.
I don't believe in demanding money from women. I won't do that.
Now im be say hunger go finish me and you for this house. Hunger go kill us for this house. Wetin dey worry you, bro? Wetin dey worry you? I no understand you at all. Use this girl now. Use this girl. Collect money from this girl. I no understand why you dey pretend say you be good girl for person wey you no even like anymore. I'm sure say you no like this girl again. Use this girl. Collect this money from her now.
No, they put bad thoughts for my head. I know good and bad.
You don't forget saying Papa nearly buy you. You don't forget say this girl Papa nearly kill you. And I know you too well. If you were given opportunity to deal with this man, I know say you go deal with her. And this opportunity is what you have now. Use this girl, dupe her. If you dupe her, collect money, it go pain in Papa go. You know say big men, they don't use their money play. Use this girl now, collect cash, make everywhere stew. Abeg. If this girl no gree bring the money, dump am, kick am out. Carry another person enter this house. I know you, no be gigolo you be. Carry another person enter. Rather go dey sleep for parlor, leave the roof for una. Abeg, use this thing well, use am well. Make everywhere soft, abeg. I need that money, I need 50k. No be matter of. Give me 50k.
Inagwa Tony Elumelu. I'm off here.
Hey, baby. Guess what? I'm making your favorite.
Thanks.
Yeah. Are you okay?
I have a problem.
A problem?
I need 400,000 naira as soon as possible. It's important and very urgent.
Is that it?
No, I'm jobless.
It's okay. You know you worry too much. I'm going to give you the money. Yes. I will.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Just made me smile.
Are you sure?
Thank you very much.
Bro, where you dey go? You don't strong to come out.
Yes, so I need to go out. I need to look around and have fun. Meanwhile, I sent you the money you asked for. Have you seen it?
You send money.
50K.
When?
Not quite long.
Eh? No see amo. So where you can't get the money from?
Yes, like you advised. I asked her for money and she gave it to me. 400K.
She gave you 400,000 naira. Eh? Eh? Now you're talking. As it should be. She supposed they bring money. That's a compensation for what her father did to you. Eh?
I'm beginning to like the idea. Meanwhile, you get one babe waiting to worry me since. So I won't go take her out. Maybe we'll do one or two. I need action tonight.
Maybe you do one or two. Now waste more money don't enter your pocket. Now you won't do one or two. Bro. Calm down. You see wetin I dey tell you be this. Small money don't enter now. You see how you dey celebrate am. Think about it when big one don't enter. You go ball.
Like I said, I'm beginning to like the idea, but meanwhile, this night is for my action. So chill. Let me go out and clear my head.
If na for action, dey house. Use your girl, do action. No be bed be this. Do the action.
Come on. I told you now, Amara. I can't make love to her again. Each time I try touching her, I see her father's face on her face, telling those boys to touch on me.
Shoo? Bro, no bonje be that though. Don't mind me. Na trauma. You know say that man don't show you shege. Sorry bro, no verse.
Stop making me remember what that man did to me. I said I'm trying to clear my head. This night is for action, so let me be.
Since this night is for action. Wetin you dey talk sef? Bro, you know, me and you know ourselves. You know say for one day you no dey faithful to this girl. You be dey do your kikere movements for every day you dey do kikere waka. The only thing wey I dey tell you be say make you just dey very careful. You know say that one is e dey very low. I no wan lose my only brother.
That's the wrong English. Which one be stay faithful? Listen, men are polygamous in nature. Stop that faithful drama. You can't even walk around here. Okay, hold me like this. One woman go get me. Where they write up?
Palliative. See my palliative. My own thing don't dey work. Make this thing wey dey do make e calm down small. Wetin dey sup now? You gats help your sister. No be every time this thing go dey for work. See that hair. That's I go use am before that hair.
You have bread and herbs?
Yes.
Give me this your chips.
My daughter. I have to bring you home. This is where you belong. Even if it means allowing you to marry that young man. I miss you.
Babe, are you okay?
Yeah. I'm just having this weird feeling about my dad. Like, it keeps coming and I just feel, oh, never mind. Do you need anything?
I need 1 million naira.
Million naira. That's a lot. That's too much, babe. What do you want 1 million naira for?
This is why I don't like borrowing money. Because they will make you explain and explain and explain. I'm not... Okay, never mind. Okay.
It's okay. I will give you the money.
Thank you very much. When you're talking.
It's okay. It's nothing. So let me get my phone and make the transfer. Should I transfer to your Zenith Bank account?
No, my UBA.
Okay. I don't understand. What is going on? What is this?
Account blocked. By who? How?
It should be my dad. But why? Why? Why would he do a thing like this? Why?
You see, why I keep saying your dad is a mean man. He is a wicked man. How can he block your account? That means he does not care whether you feed or not. Your dad is mean.
Baby, he's not. Okay? My dad is usually not like this.
Listen, your dad is mean. Nobody can convince me otherwise.
Babe, please, stop. Excuse me. Hello? Yes, I'm the one. Which hospital? Okay. I'm coming right away, please. I'm coming. Oh my goodness, baby.
What is it?
Baby, they just called me not to tell me that they rushed my dad to the hospital. He's in critical condition. I have to go. I have to go.
Babe. Please help me lock that side. Sorry, sir. Please help me ship that. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Sorry.
Daddy, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I should have stayed with you. I should have stayed close to you. I'm really sorry. Daddy, please, I need you to be strong. I need you to be strong for me, please. Please. I love you so much. I love you. My love for you transcends even this. I love you, Daddy. Just be strong, please. I'm so sorry.
Babe. It's okay, I have to go now.
No, please. Please, stay, please. I need you to stay. Please, you have to stay. I can't do this on my own. I can't. Please.
I'm sorry, I can't.
No, baby. Daddy. Please, can he stay? You see, he just blinked. He wants you to stay. You have to stay, please. I can't even lift him. You know he's paralyzed from neck down. I need you to stay, please. It's so hard on me.
It's okay, it's okay. I will stay.
Thank you. It's so hard on me, baby.
Papi. Hello, Papi. Strong man. My Lion King. Papi, how you doing? I heard you were recovering like a horse. I heard you beat everything that wanted to keep you down and you came out swinging.
I haven't seen him smile like this in a long time now.
That's my strong man. That's my Lion King himself. Papa, you know you're a strong man. You're a very strong man. I trust you're going to beat this. In fact, we are going to beat this together. Okay? You beat this just as you beat everything that wanted to keep you down. The Lion King himself. A strong man. You know, I wanted to get us drink. You know, as usual. You and I. But I didn't want to be embarrassed and, in fact, beaten by an old man again. Papi! Come on. Very soon you're going to dance. Okay? You don't just walk, you dance. I will go to stroll. You're strong. That's my Papi. That's my Papi!
See your life. You see your life. What goes around comes around. Now you are sick and down at my mercy. You are suffering because of what you did to me. You are a wicked man. Yesterday I couldn't sleep. I was in the other room, thinking, knowing fully well that the wicked man that made me go through trauma is lying helplessly in the next room. Karma came so swift. I will make sure you suffer until you die. You are a wicked man. I can naked you now, snap your manhood and post it online. Have you forgotten what you did to me? Have you forgotten? My sister asked me whether I will take my revenge on you if I had a chance. I will make sure you suffer until you die. If your daughter tries to stop me, I will also kill her. Because you deserve no mercy. You're a wicked man. Forgetting that what goes around comes around. Useless man. Useless man. Useless man. You made me go through hell. Now it's my turn. I will support. I will support you. Sorry, Daddy. Sorry,
What
Daddy.
happened?
He has been shaking.
Daddy,
Please, Daddy, relax.
Baby, what happened?
He has been shaking.
Daddy, I'm so sorry. Daddy, I'm so sorry.
Sorry, Daddy,
You
okay?
need to take your medication.
Should I get him water?
Please, get him water.
Oh, Jesus Christ, I'm coming.
Sorry, Daddy. I'm sorry. He's going to get you water. Daddy, please. You need to pull through.
I went far away, so far away, thinking I'm doing the right thing. But I don't know, I'm just being foolish. Yes, I wandered away, thinking I am following my heart. Oh, little did I know that I'm just being foolish. Yeah, I think I made a mistake by leaving you alone to a place where I don't know. Yeah, I think I made a huge mistake by leaving you alone to a place where I don't know. I am sorry, Papa, for leaving you behind. And right now I am back. I'll never let you go. am sorry, Papa, for leaving you behind. And right now I am back. I'll never let you go. Oh, I went far away, so far away, thinking I'm doing the right thing. Well, I don't know, I'm just being foolish. Yes, I wandered away, thinking I am following my heart. Oh, little did I know that I'm just being
Okay,
foolish.
you just blinked. And that's a
I
yes.
think I made
At
a
least that's the only one that I
mistake,
understand.
leaving you alone
Yeah, that's
to a
okay. I
place
get it's a
where I
sweet
don't know.
surprise.
I think I made a huge mistake by leaving you alone to a place where I don't know. I am
Yeah,
sorry,
good.
Papa, for leaving you behind.
Thank you.
And right now I am back. I'll never let you go. Ah,
Yep.
I am
Okay.
sorry, Papa, for leaving you behind. And right now I am back. I'll never let you go. Oh,
Baby.
Hi, babe.
What's up, love?
Hi, I want to quickly go to grocery store to get some things.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's okay. Be careful, yeah?
sure. Baby, I'm thinking of hiring a maid.
Is that necessary? What for?
I just feel we need an extra hand. You know, the workload is much.
But you have me and I'm always there for you. I've been taking care of him now, so we don't need a maid.
I know. I just feel we need someone, someone else around. Like I earlier said, the workload might be much on you and you will know how to, speak up.
Well, if you insist, no problem. But for me, I don't think it's necessary. Because I'm always there.
Uh-huh. Like I completely forgot. Dad blocked my account. Like I can't even make transactions.
You don't even have access to cash.
I am telling you.
No need for the maid. Please don't stress yourself, okay?
Yeah. So baby, I have to, run along right now to pick some stuffs.
All right,
Daddy.
darling. Have a beautiful day, okay?
Sure, baby.
Come here. Bye.
Daddy, I'll be right back, okay? I know. I know that eyes. I'm gonna miss you too. Okay, but I'm not gonna stay too long. I'll be right back soon. And of course, I'm gonna miss you too. Daddy, come on. Don't be such a baby. I'll miss you too, okay? But I won't stay long. That's a promise. Baby, take care of Daddy, please.
Of course, of course.
Please.
He's in safe hands.
I know. Okay.
All right, love.
Okay, baby, take care of Daddy.
Okay, have a nice day. What was that for? Huh? You wanted to tell her something, right? Huh? You wanted to expose me. If I hear him, you are blinking like an idiot. If I was you, you will change color. Wicked man. Wicked man. What goes around comes around. When you were torturing me, rough handling me, you thought you are the boss there. Look at you now. Vegetable. In fact, what am I supposed to do to this one now? New idea. Mefogaji. You see this baby? I need like 100 pieces from your baby. 2, 3. Raise it, let me bab you. 4. 5. That's a stupid man. 6. 7. 18. 19. 20. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. What is this? What? You peed? At your age? You peed on your clothes? Eh? Because you're suffering from stroke. Are you the only stroke patient? You peed here. You will stay like this until your daughter comes back. Leave this place. You idiot. You will remain like this until your daughter comes back. Wicked man.
Daddy. Oh my goodness. Daddy. Daddy. Daddy, what happened? What happened? Daddy, you peed on yourself. Daddy, what happened? I'm so sorry. Joe.
What happened? Oh, he peed on his clothes.
He peed on himself. Daddy, I'm so sorry.
Sorry, sir.
I'm so sorry.
Sorry, sir. I went to use myself.
No. What do you mean you went to eat yourself and you left him here all by himself?
Hello? I want to ease myself now. Are you expecting me to pee on my trousers like he did too?
Joe, I told you not to leave him alone by himself. I told you.
At the expense of my engine room. So I should not pee again because I'm taking care of your father. Don't insult me, oh. I'm just helping you here.
I'm so sorry.
Okay.
I'm going to get something. Don't clean him. I'm going to clean him myself. Daddy, I will clean you up. I'm coming, please. I'm so sorry. Joe, you shouldn't have. I told you to always stay around him. You shouldn't have just left him.
Sorry, I went to...
But I told you.
I just went to use the restroom.
Don't hesitate to ask if you need anything.
Sure.
Okay? Alright. I have to go now.
Alright, safe. Bye.
Can you see me off?
Let me just stay with Dad, okay?
Oh, okay, alright.
Alright.
Take care of yourself.
Bye.
So
Hi,
you
babe.
allowed him to kiss you?
Kiss? Baby, come on. It was just a peck.
I don't care what you call it. Was that supposed to be so?
Babe.
Was that necessary? Was to embarrass me every now and then? What sort of embarrassment was that?